morning, guys. For today's video, I'm gonna share you my favorite job, feeding the fish. You see that? They're everywhere. They like eating the feed, right? Look at that. This other side of the pond is gonna be harvested on February. And look, very amusing. Very nice to watch, and they're very good. See, they love the food, and that's what my life is really feel amazing, chilling, relaxing. It's very nice, right? It's a nice feeling. See this? This is my brother's pond. See that? I'm going to feed them. Yeah, there they are. Okay. This other one also, they're very shy fish. But now when I feed them, they come out. You see, they're black and something like hybrid ones, and the other ones are not. You see, I love it. Like yum yum foodie from the tummy. It's cute to watch those fish. Actually, it's very amusing. It's very relaxing. I'm gonna go another side. There it is. Come out. Yeah. It's a bit bushy now in here, but that's good because the grass can hold the fish pond, you see, make them strong. Put it in here. Yeah. We're in the other side of the pond down there, the layer place, the breeding place. They're not coming out yet because they're shy. Everyone's in here anyway. Yeah. We're gonna go to the nursery place, but they put some food here. Oh, there. We're in the nursery with a little fish in here. Oops. And feed a little bit there. Actually, they're eating still, even though you give them grower. See that there? Feed them. I'd like to go to another pond. Back there, you see that? They're eating there. The big ones are eating already because I'm not there, you see. They are quiet. You see? There they are eating. Right. Zoom out. Here in this other pond, actually, the fish are quiet too, because there are lots of migrant birds taking them. And look at that. They're shy too, but they're coming out soon. Right? Gonna go other side. Feed. Right? This is the second pond. Eventually, we had a big restructure with this because it's broken, and that it's nice to see the butterflies around. You see, showing in our videos. Yeah. Here they are another side. Okay. They're eating already there. Oh. That's how amusing when you feed the fish. Actually, they're very nice and very it's it's stress reliever actually. Stress reliever for me. Here we are, show you the little fishes here. This is very amusing. They're playing underneath actually. Yeah, look at that. I show you what they're doing there. They're playing underneath and I was very amused with them. We just wait there because they're gonna come out and play there. I'm gonna focus my camera so that you can see. There they are, starting to play with the little feed there. They're trying to eat them. See, there's another one there. Okay, I love to see them actually. That's why I like to share it to you. It's very amusing. You see, it's nice scene that you can see. You see, it's underneath the pond. It happens like that. You see. Very relaxing. It's nice to see those little fish underneath what they're doing. You see, it's very nice, guys. I hope you like also the video that I made today actually. So I just end this video. Bye bye, thank you for watching.